If you've purchased one of our windshields, it's going to come to you as flat panels that you're going to assemble. They'll still have their protective film on, so you just need to peel those and then put them together. So I'll peel them now and then I'll show you how to put them together. So you've got your parts peeled. Don't worry about getting fingerprints all over it because you're going to clean it once you've finished assembly. And by the way, this is the foam that came in the crate for packaging. This is a great material to actually build this on so that you don't get scratches on the inside face. So we'll get one of our back panels, tilt that up, and then we'll get its side panel, and then we'll put that on here. Now you can tell the side panels have this small detent and little rebate at the bottom. So that's how you tell the base of the side panel. It also has these keyhole things in it that will slot over the bolts on the back of the VRS. So bolt from the inside. Okay, so we'll just get that finger tight. Now we'll do the other side. We've got these two connected to each other. Now we just need to do it up in the middle. It does not matter which side goes in front. These pieces are completely symmetrical. Okay, so just pick one. We put our bolt in through the front. So what you see on the inside is just this nice little button head. Now, there is one tool that you will need that we don't provide, and that is just an adjustable spanner. You can use your small Allen key that came with the grill, and you just want to go around and tighten all of these up. So your windshield is fully assembled now, covered in fingerprints, but we'll use the Worth Cleaner to deal with that. But this is the best it's ever going to look, okay? Because effectively this is a backsplash for the grill. So it is going to get covered in oil and grease, and that's going to get baked on with all the heat. And look, that's just part of cooking over live fire. Over coals is, things are going to get a little bit of patina on them. Okay, so very easy to install. We'll loosen off the bolts on the back of the variable rack system. Just going to lift this. Nice to have two people to do that. And we'll drop this over those bolts and then snug them back up again.